Hi folks, and welcome to the third information session about cash management. In this information session we'll talk about the treasurer job description. As you can see in the description of this video here, I posted whatever I'm going to talk about, so you can read and follow with me. So as I say, a person who oversees future cash flows, and here I just want to make a small distinction between future cash flows that the treasurer prepares and the other cash flow that we can read on annual reports, or the one of the four accounting reports that an accountant usually prepares. Whatever the accountant prepares is whatever has happened in the past. So if you see a cash flow statement for the year ended December 31st, 2010, so it tells you the movement and the inflows and outflows of cash throughout 2010. However, what the treasurer actually prepares, he prepares the future cash flow, and that could be for the future week, for the future month, or for the future year, or for the future 5 years. So there is actually no time specification, and it's whatever is going to happen in the future. So that's the difference between the two. And he also oversees bank accounts and bank relationships. So he is the one who actually establishes an open bank account, and he would have instant access to the balances in these bank accounts. So he would prepare an action, whether there's going to be a cash deficit by the end of the week, by the end of today, by the end of the year. So he would plan accordingly. He also oversees liquid assets. As we mentioned, he oversees the cash in the bank, and also he oversees certificates of deposits. And sometimes he would oversee capital management. So whether like percentage of debt to equity that an organization should have, whether the company should issue bonds, issue shares, or sell bonds or sell shares, depending on circumstances. Other like secondary rules that a treasurer would have is he would participate in risk mitigation. So if a company wants to invest in different markets, international markets, he would have some recommendations whether this shall be done or not, and the proper steps into doing that. Also, he would assist management accounting by providing insights on budgets, and he would have an idea of how much cash is coming and how much cash is going to go out. So his insights will be very helpful to the managerial accountants. Also, he would assist in credit analysis, whether the company should give a particular customer a certain amount of credit limit on their receivables. So that takes us to the end of this information session. In the next information session, we'll talk about the treasurer typical role in an organization. So hopefully we'll see you in the next video, and have a good day.